Hey, Topping Analyze Math and History, and we're going to be reviewing the distributive property. So in this video, we will be learning how to multiply more than one number at the same time and simplify an expression by doing so. So, when you are doing the distributive property, you will see expressions that will look like these or these, because when there's a distributive property, or when you're doing that, you are usually going to see some parentheses. So let's start solving one. So here's 8, 7 plus 2x. What you want to try and do is simplify this expression to make it easier to understand. So the 8 is actually going to be distributed with the 7 and the 2x. So it's going to multiply by 7 and multiply by 2x. So pretty much it will distribute itself to these two numbers. So we get an answer of 8 times 7 is 56, plus 8 times 2x, that would become 16x. And there we go. We have a simplified expression. So, when you are doing the distributive property, it's pretty much saying that 8 is trying to shoot targets at the 7 and 2x. And the lines mean that 8 is trying to attack the 7 and the 2x. The parentheses are like, okay, target acquired, 7 plus 2x. 8, attack.
You just let Shen get away.
At least we destroyed the weapon. Fire! Oh, no, he's got way more.
Let's try and figure out and simplify another problem. But this time, instead of two numbers that we're trying to multiply at the same time, we're doing three numbers that are being multiplied at the same time. So, 3 is having parentheses surrounded by 5x plus x minus 2x. So, what we could do is have that number 3 target 5x, x, and negative 2. So what it will do is it'll attack the 5x. Then it'll attack the x. Then the 3 will also lastly attack the negative 2. But when they're being attacked, we're actually multiplying these numbers by 3 at the same time. So we have 3 multiplied by 5x. That's going to be 15x. Then we have 3 multiplied by x, and the number times a variable is going to be a number with the variable. So we say 3x, and we have one more number that we have to multiply, the negative 2. So 3 multiplied by negative 2 is a negative times a positive is a negative. So that'll be negative 6. So, there was one more thing we could do. We can have 15x plus 3x turn into 18x because they're the same. Then, we get to subtract that by 6. And now, we have our simplified expression. Now, we know how to use the distributive property. And we also know how to multiply a number by how many numbers there are in the parentheses at the same time. Wait, what happens if you don't have a number in front of the parentheses but a negative symbol in front of it? Well, the distributive property is going to be the same thing, but there's an extra step to this problem. 1, since we have a negative, we can turn it into a negative 1. Because it's saying 2 minus something, parentheses, negative 2 plus x. That negative is not going to be turned as a 1. Then we get to target acquired and multiply the numbers inside the parentheses.
Come on, we need you to focus.
So let's start distributing. So, -1 multiplied by a -2, a negative multiplied by a negative will result in getting you a positive number. So -1 times -2 is going to become a +2. Then we have another target or another number we have to multiply. -1 multiplied by x. So that'll become -1x. Then we no longer have parentheses. We have 2 plus 2 minus 1x, or simplified version, 4 minus 1x. So there we go. When we have a negative in front of parentheses, always think of it as a -1, because that negative is something. I hope this video has helped you refresh your memory or learn about the distributive property. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe. And to end the video, watch Henry Stickmin in completing the mission try to divert a targeting system in a turret.
Now we're really putting all our potatoes in one sack on this one, so don't let us down, boys. Hey, I know we just started and all, but I think I'm getting targeted by a SAM turret. Yeah, oh yeah. If you could just go ahead and deal with that.